that cop pulled over a boat. Oh, I was just thinking that car's going kind of fast. Oh, you busted. You are busted. Ha 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 ha.
Pull him over. Please, pull him over. He's sitting in the left lane, and he just brake checked you. Please, pull him over. Thank you. Yeah! 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 Oh, you're busted! Busted! Get him! Yeah! 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 Fuck yeah! Get him! He's the car up! Oh yeah! Oh, you are done! Hell yeah! Oh, busted! Busted! Oh, Get him. Pull him over. Yeah, there he goes.
Oh, hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go get him!
A magic missile slammed into the monster's wings. It circled just above the tree line. It screeched angrily. At the same moment, I cast heal on myself as I pulled the holy gooper potion ball into my free hand. I smashed the sticky, holy water substance against the talon locked onto my chest. The foot sizzled as Sierra screeched yet again, its voice high and piercing. I was hoping it'd drop me, but it just pushed harder. Carl. Light! I pulled my second and last potion ball just as the new sun ascended. Donna had scrambled up one of the trees, and she emerged from the canopy like a wizard atop a...
Replacement up his arse.
Yeah. Sucked him. That's what you get for clogging the middle lane.
I have to slow down there to let him over them, won't I?
Yeah.
What's he doing? Oh my god, we're on the motorway. Why is he? Why?
What, does that have to overtake?
Oh my god.
God. What an idiot.
Oh, there's
What
someone coming up my arse. The email was coming up my arse.
What is he doing? Why is he stopped on a blinking...
He's got out.
What an absolute idiot.
I can probably get... There was a car zooming up my arse down and it just missed me when I pulled onto the hard shoulder. Just missed me.
Well, I'm glad that copper caught that prat.
Even if owners don't participate in the buyback now, they'll have till the end of October to get rid of any banned weapon.
What are you giving you? You want them? Come and get them.
You can opt in or out of the program. You cannot opt in or out of the law.
After that, anyone in possession of a banned weapon could lose their gun license and face criminal liability.
So the government basically admitted right there that the whole voluntary thing was never really the point. You could choose to participate and get paid, or you could choose not to participate and eventually get treated like a criminal for it. That's the game. They dressed it up as a cooperative program, gave it a friendly name, and the moment participation tanked, they were...
Well, 8'10", you think he's gonna hit the fucking bridge? Let's get ready to brake. Is you gonna hit it? Yeah, you gonna hit it. Cool, I guess we'll just fucking close the goddamn highway because you don't know how things work. You're definitely not going to make it, sir. We'll all just go around, I guess.